So last week we got hit with a pretty tasty leak about Samsung's upcoming One UI 8.5, and hiding inside it was a little gift for Galaxy fans. A surprise upgrade for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Apparently Samsung is finally doing something about their famously mad charging speeds. According to the leak, the S26 Ultra will support 60-watt charging. That's a 33% jump over the 45 watts we've been stuck with on this 25 Ultra. About time, right? But hold on, it gets juicier. Before diving deep into today's video, a quick request. A single click on the subscribe button from you genuinely fuels my motivation to create more videos like this. It means a lot. Also, drop a like and comment if you like the video. Now let's get straight to today's topic. Ice Universe, you know, that guy whose Samsung leaks are usually freakishly accurate, posted on Wearable that the S26 Ultra's 5000 mAh battery can hit 75 to 80% in just 30 minutes. Impressive already, but then he casually says Samsung's playing it safe with those numbers. Translation? In real-world use, we might actually see 90% in half an hour. Now let's put that in perspective. This 25 Ultra tops out at around 72% after 30 minutes on the charger. So with the S26 Ultra, we're looking at roughly 25% faster charging. And yeah, that's a big deal. Sure, it's still not on the level of those wild Chinese flagships that practically beam battery life into your phone at light speed, but hey, it's progress. We don't have the official 0 to 100% time yet, but based on these early numbers, it's pretty realistic to expect a full charge in around 45 minutes. And honestly, for most people, that's more than enough. Unless you're the kind of person who wants 0 to 100% in 10 minutes, in which case, maybe try a power bank and some patience. The point is, Samsung finally seems to be moving in the right direction with charging speeds. No, 60 watts won't blow away the competition, but for longtime Galaxy users, this is a real quality of life boost. The only thing missing? A slightly bigger battery to go with it. But hey, maybe we'll get that in 2027, fingers crossed. So what do you think? Is 60 watts finally enough from Samsung, or are they still playing it too safe? Let me know in the comments, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.